Hello guys, so this is Raviteja. Today is day 12 class. In this class, we are going to learn about Transit Gateway. Let me open Notepad. We are going to learn about Transit Gateway. In this Transit Gateway, what we are learning is what is Transit Gateway, why Transit Gateway, benefits of Transit Gateway. Okay, these things we are going to learn today. First, what is Transit Gateway? We have VPC, right? If you want to connect your your Amazon VPC and on-premises network through central hub. If you have on-premises means so many companies are using on-premises network only. So at that point of view, they are using transit gateway in on-premises as well. Okay. So we are going to learn about why transit gateway. AWS Transit Gateway helps you to design and implement network at scalable by acting as a cloud router. Whenever you are creating a transit gateway, it should be attached to the route tables as well. And as your network grows, the complexity of managing incremental connections can slow down. If your network is growing, the some connections may be slow down. Okay, what we can do then? AWS Transit Gateway connection VPC and on-premises network through a central hub. When we are attaching transit gateway, when we are creating transit gateway that should be attached to the route tables, then performance will be very high. Okay, benefits we can learn later. Okay, now what I would like to suppose to tell you about you is transit gateway peering connection is a little bit same. Okay, but what is the disadvantage in peering is peering and transit gateway is mostly same, but there is a difference. That is, I will show you. Transit gateway. Okay. Problem with VPC connection. What is the problem in this? If you suppose you are taking here one VPC, another VPC, and then third VPC we have. If you want to connect first VPC to second VPC, we need one peering connection, right? For first VPC and second VPC, when we are creating a peering connection in one region or same region in one VPC, that VPC should be attached to the another VPC or another region. Then we need one peering connection, right? And if you want to connect second VPC to third VPC, then we need another peering connection. If you have another VPC, then we need another peering connection. So what happens here is the number of peering connections will be increasing. So to reduce this issue, we have a transit gateway. Come transit gateway. What here is we need only one transit gateway here. The transit gateway we should be attaching to the each VPC. So the performance is very high rather than peering connection. Okay. Now let us dive into the transit gateway, how to create these things we are going to learn. This is the main advantage in transit gateway. We need only one transit gateway to connect number of VPCs at a time. But here, if we want to connect number of VPCs at a time, we need number of peering connections. If the number of peering connections, the number of components will be increased, automatically the performance will be decreased rather than peering connection. Okay. Now we can discuss about benefits of transit gateway. What are the benefits? I would like to tell you: improve the security, improve security, and then second one is better availability and control. It looks good, not bad, and the operation is also be simple rather than peering connection. So better visibility and control. And then third one is lift and shift. Operation is also very simple, not it complex. Okay. Now I would like to go into create transit gateway. We can discuss what are the components we require. AWS console. Here I would like to tell you what is the process. Let me open Notepad. Write it down. Creation. Here I am going to take three VPCs in same region. Okay, in same region I want three VPCs. After that, first I would like to tell you only single VPC. What is the process? Then you can understand the remaining those. Okay, for first VPC, similar operations for both three VPCs. First I would like to tell you only first VPC. First VPC, you have to create VPC and then subnet. Here I am going to take only one subnet which is public subnet, that is public, and then route tables. You already know how to attach the internet gateway to the route table and then subnet to the internet gateway. You already know. Okay, route table and then internet gateway. I will show you this. Can it become public? Can it become private? I will let you know. Internet gateway and then VC2. Same components we need in different VPCs as well. After launching the instance, I will let you know what what we have to install in that servers. Okay, this is the process. First, I would like to create one VPC, which is VPC1 for VPCs. It is default VPCs. Don't go there. create VPC. For my identification, I am giving VPC1. Here CIDR I am giving 10.0.0.0 by 16. And just come down, create VPC. After creating the VPC, we have to go with subnets. These are also default subnets. Don't go with this. Create subnet. What we have created VPC that will be up here and select this. Subnet name is public and then VPC1. It is VPC1 public subnet for my identification. Here I would like to take 1A. Here the subnet is 10.0.1.0 by 16. Sorry, 24. Then just come down. How many IPs will be generated? 256. Create subnet and then go to route tables. This is also default route table. Don't go with this. Create route table. Sorry, VPC1 hyphen route. Select VPC. This is my VPC. Create route table. Here you can clearly observe that in route tables, I am going to subnet associations, edit subnet associations. Here when we select this and save associations, and after that when we add to the route table internet gateway, it becomes public subnet. When we want select this and save changes, even you put it a public name, it's not become public. Whenever you are attaching route table and then save changes, then only it's become public. I think got it. If you have any queries, comment below. I will let you know. Save associations. Go to internet gateway. Sorry, these are all detached, and then here attached, which is default. Don't go with this. Create internet gateway. VPC1 internet gateway. Then just come down. Create internet gateway. So you can clearly observe that what is it asking attached to VPC or what VPC VPC1, and then just attach the internet gateway. After attaching the internet gateway, go to route tables, select this checkbox, and then actions, edit routes. We have to add with the route. Internet gateway. Okay. Save changes. Now what we supposed to do is how much process we have done here. We have created VPC subnets route table and then internet gateway. Now we have to launch EC2 instance. Instances. Launch instance. Instance. VPC1 or VPC1 instance it is. Then just come down. Select key pair. If you have key pair, you can select it. Otherwise, you can create another new key pair. Here, edit. You have VPC, right? Then select it. You have one subnet. Select this. Here, enable it. If you have security groups, then select. Otherwise, create. No, I don't have. So that's why I'm going to create. Here, VPC1. Just the security groups. Here, add security group to HTTP 0 and then just launch instance. Once we launch the instance, what we're supposed to do is connect this first. Wait, it's running. Okay. Click on this, connect this, copy the, open git bash, paste it. Done. Yes, clear this. Sudo hyphen I. Here we need to be install Nginx. If you take a Ubuntu, then we have to install Apache too. Here I have taken Amazon Linux, so that's why I am installing Nginx. But we have to update the system. Rem update hyphen y. Yum install Nginx hyphen y. Clear this. Go to install path slash usr slash a slash Nginx slash html. Enter ls rmindex.html. Yes, vi index.html. Insert mode is VPC1. VPC1 instance. Escape shift colon wq. Enter systemctl. Restart Nginx systemctl status Nginx. Enter. It's running. Okay, it is running. No problem. Control C. CD. Top. Okay. We have done one VPC. One path. Now we have to create another VPC and then another. We have create two VPCs. I have created only one VPC. Now I am going to create another VPC as well. The process is same. VPC2. Here I am giving 11.0.0.0 by 16. And then just come down, create VPC, go to subnets, create subnet VPC2. Because we are creating VPC2, that's why we have to select VPC2 here. Then just come down, public VPC2, just available 1A here 11.0.1.0 by 24. And then just come down, create subnet, go to route tables, create route table, VPC2 hyphen route, select VPC, we have to select VPC2 here. Then just come down, create route table, Subnet associations, edit subnet associations, select this checkbox and then save associations. Go to internet gateway, create internet gateway, VPC to internet gateway, then just come down, create internet gateway. Sorry. Previously I have done, so these are all I am deleting first. Okay, create internet gateway, VPC to IGW, then just come down, create internet gateway, attach to VPC, select VPC, you have to select VPC to here, and then just attach internet gateway. After attaching the internet gateway, you have to add to the route tables as well. Click on this actions, sorry, edit routes, add route, internet gateway, select this, and then just save changes. Okay, now what should we do is launching another instance for VPC2 as well. Instances, launch instance, instance, VPC2, just come down. Here, if you take Amazon Linux here, then you have to install Nginx. You have, if you take Ubuntu, you have to install Apache 2. The commands will be different for both of them. In my case, I am taking Amazon Linux. Keypad, select this. If you don't have, create another keypad. Edit. Here we have to select VPC2 only. Public VPC2. We have to enable this. If you have, create another security group, which is VPC2SG. Just come down, add rule, HTTP. And just launch instance. For this also we have to install Nginx as well. Instances, refresh it. It's still pending, wait some time. It's running. Connect this, copy this, open Git here. Paste it. Yes. Clear this. Sudo -i. You became root user. First update the system. Install Nginx. Yes. Clear this. ls. Sorry. cd space /usr /share /nginx /html. Enter. ls rm index.html. Yes. vi index.html. Enter. Insert mode. This is VPC2 instance escape shift colon WQ systemctl restart Nginx systemctl status Nginx bits active not dead. Okay, control C cd enter stop. Now what we're supposed to do is, before we are creating another VPC, I want to copy public IP, whether the port number is opened or not for my clarification. Colon IP. Okay, I got it. No problem. Now I would like to create another VPC, which is VPC3. Create VPC. VPC3 12.0.0.0 by 16. And just come down. Create VPC. Sorry, 0 itself. Create VPC. Subnets. Create subnet. We have to select VPC3 here. And just come down. Public VPC3. And just come down. Select 1A. 1.0.1.0 by 16. 24. Just come down. Create subnet. After creating the subnet, go to route tables. Create route table. VPC3 route table. Select VPC3 here. Just come down, create route table. After creating route table, go to subnet associations, edit subnet associations, select this checkbox, and then save associations. After that, create internet gateway, VPC3 internet gateway, and then just come down, create internet gateway. After creating the internet gateway, you have to attach the VPC3. Select VPC3 here, and then attach internet gateway. After attaching internet gateway, you have to edit with the route tables as well. VPC3, edit routes, add route, internet gateway, VPC3 internet gateway, and then just save changes. Now what should we do is launch another instance for VPC3, launch instance VPC3, and just come down. Here I am going with Amazon Linux. Just come down, select the key pair. If you don't have, create another, edit this, select VPC3 here, enable this, and just come down, create security group, VPC3SG, VPC3SG, here add security group rule, custom DCP, add with HTTP itself, CIDR 0, and just come down, launch instance, go to instances, refresh it, VPC3, connect this, and we have to install Nginx as well. Image this. Paste it. Enter. Yes. Sudo hyphen I to become root user. Now update the system first. Now we have to install Nginx over there. Go to path cd slash usr share Nginx html ls yes vi html input mode. This is VPC3 instance. Escape shift colon w2 enter systemctl status Nginx. What is the state? Inactive, and then what we're supposed to do is restart Nginx. Now you can check the status, enter. Now it is in active and running state. Control C, cd enter, off. Image for my identification. I'm going with copy the public IP, control V, colon 80. Yeah, I got VPC3 instance, and I would like to check VP instance one as well because I have not checked it. Copy this. Okay, I got it, no problem. Now what we're supposed to do is go to VPC. We have to create single transit gateway for different VPCs. Go to transit gateway. Here you can observe the transit gateways. Transit gateway. In VPC section only we have transit gateway. Create transit gateway. TG for VPC1, VPC2, VPC3. This is the transit gateway for VPC1, VPC2, and then VPC3. Transit gateway for VPCs. Then just come down. Nothing I have selected here. Create transit gateway. After creating the transit gateway, wait for some time. It's still pending. It takes some time to active state. Do refresh. Right. In transit gateway, we have how much process we have done is we have created first VPC, second VPC, and then third VPC. Now we are going to create transit gateway. After creating the transit gateway, whenever it is available, what we supposed to do is create transit gateway attachments. The transit gateway attachment we have to attach with the VPC1 to transit gateway. This is our first attachment. The second attachment is to VPC2 to VPC transit gateway, and then VPC3 to transit gateway. This is the process we have. If we are creating VPC1, what are the attachments we have? We have to attach VPC2 and VPC3. Okay. If we are working with VPC2, we have to attach VPC1 and VPC2 or VPC3. If we are working with VPC3, we have to attach VPC1 and VPC2. How we can attach is we have already given a CID here for VPC1 and VPC2 and VPC3. If you are working with VPC1, we have to give in the edit route tables, we have to give VPC2 CIDR and VPC3 CIDR. Working with VPC2, we have to give VPC1 CIDR and VPC3 CIDR. Working with VPC3, we have to give VPC1 CIDR and then VPC2 CIDR. Don't confuse it. I will let you know everything. Now you can check whether it's available or not. It's still pending. Okay, available. What we're supposed to do is go to transit gateway attachments, create transit gateway attachment. We have to create three attachments here or here. You can observe here how many attachments we have. One attachment, second attachment, and then third attachment. We have three attachments, so that's we have to create three attachments as well. First, I am creating VPC1 attachment. Okay, hyphen attach. And just come down. We have created transit gateway, right? That will be showing here, and then select it. Here we have to select VPC. In real-time environment, we have to select VPN as well. Up to here, I am selecting VPC itself. Select VPC ID. Here we are working with VPC1, so that's why we have to select VPC1 over here, and then just come down. Create transit gateway attachments. Okay, we have created one attachment, right? Or similarly, we have to create two attachments as well. VPC2 attachment. We have created only one transit gateway. For every time, it is showing only here VPC, no problem. Just come down, select VPC. We are working with VPC2. So select this and then just create transit gateway attachment. We have done two. Go with three. VPC3 attachment, transit gateway. Select this. Here VPC itself. VPC3 select here. Just create transit gateway attachment. After creating the transit gateway attachments, what we can do is wait until it's active, until it's available. Available. Now three should be available until wait. Refresh it. Yeah, it's available. Three attachments are available. Then go with route tables. Now I am going with first VPC1 itself. So click on VPC1, sorry, VPC1 route table, VPC1 route its actions, edit routes. What we're supposed to do is what I told previously. Here I am working with VPC1. We have created attachment, three attachments similarly. Yes, here I am working with VPC1 means VPC1 route table. Now I am in. Then what we have to do is we have to attach VPC2 and VPC3 with the CIDR. Okay, you can observe here. The VPC2 CIDR is to 11.0.0.0 by 16, and then just we have to select transit gateway over here. This is transit gateway 1 attachment for the VPC1 only. Now we have connected with this. We have to go with VPC3 as well. Select this. Okay. Add route for VPC2 12 dot sorry VPC3 12.0.0.0 by 16. Select this transit gateway attachment 1 itself, and then just save changes. Okay. Go to route tables. There is a similar process. Select VPC2, edit routes. If you are working with VPC2, we have to attach VPC1 and VPC3. Okay. Now first I would like to give VPC1 10.0.0.0 by 16. Here we have to be select transit gateway VPC2 attachment. Now we have to add VPC3 as well. VPC3 is 12.0.0.0 by 16. We have to select transit gateway over here. Select VPC2 attachment and then just save changes. We have done VPC1 and VPC2. Now we have to go with VPC3. We have to attach 1 and 2. Okay, route tables. VPC3 route table. Click on this. Actions. Edit routes. Add route. We have to attach 1 and 2. For 1, 10.0.0.0 by 16. Select transit gateway. Select VPC3 attachment. After that, add route. For VPC2 CIDR is 0.0.0 by 16. Select transit gateway over here. VPC3 attachment over here. And just come down, save changes. Okay, we have done this entire part. Okay, we have created everything and attached everything here. Now what we're supposed to do is go to paint. What I am trying to say is you have three VPCs and created three subnets routers and they attached them. Now we have three instances. Okay, like VPC1. This is VPC1, VPC2 instance, VPC3 instance. Okay, we have this. Now what I supposed to do is when you are EC2 instance 1, when you are in EC2 instance 1, you have to copy a second instance private IP and then paste in VPC1. What will be showing, you can observe after VPC2, you have to VPC2 instance, we have to copy VPC3 instance as well. Private IP we have to copy and then paste it here. What will happen? We can clearly observe here. Now, what I'm supposed to do is go to instances, instances. Okay, I have already VPC1 instance, VPC2 instance, VPC3 instance. Now, what I'm supposed to do is select VPC2 here and then copy the private IP. Go to instance on VPC1 instance. Okay, Control C. Say curl space paste it, enter. Okay, have you got? You are in VPC instance 1. It shows VPC 2, means it's similar to peering connection. What we have done in peering connection, when you are in different availability zones, to copy the public IP over there and paste it in this region, it shows their region. Similarly, it looks same, right? So what I supposed to do is copy the VPC3 instance private IP and then just paste it similarly. Say curl space, paste it here, the private IP, here VPC3 instance. Shall we do same process in different instances? Now we have done with VPC1. Now I am going to do which is VPC2 instance. Here I am going to select. We have already copied VPC3. Control C. Curl space. What it should be shown. Uh, I am This instance is VPC3. Okay, this should be showing here. Let me check whether it is coming or not. Sorry. Control C. Curly space. Again, copy this private IP. Paste it. Enter. VPC3 instance. Okay. Now we can check VPC instance 1 as well. Deselect checkbox and then just private IP. Say curly space. Paste it here. Enter. This is VPC1 instance. You can do same process for every instance. It shows like this. So this is the process, guys. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments. I will definitely give a reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now we are going with how to delete them. We have created, but how to delete them first. First, we have to delete instances. Terminate instance. Terminate. Okay, it is going to be shutdowning. Now, what we supposed to do is go to VPCs. First, we have to detach internet gateway. It's the instances. Select one by one. Actions. Detach from VPC. Detach internet gateway. Wait for some time. It is going to be deleting here. It is not shutdowning. Whenever it's terminated. Yeah, it's terminated. No, we have to edit routes first. VPC1 routes. Actions. Edit routes. First remove them. Save changes. Subnet associations. Edit this. Deselect this. And then just save changes. Internet gateway. VPC1 internet gateway. Actions. Detach from VPC. Detach internet gateway. And then select VPC1. Actions. Delete internet gateway. And then just delete. Enter. Now go to route tables. Select VPC2. Route table. Actions. Edit routes. Remove them first. Save changes. Subnet associations. Edit. Deselect this. Then just save associations. Actions. delete route table, then just delete it. Internet gateway, select VPC2, actions, detach from VPC first, then only it will be able to delete, otherwise it won't be delete. Select this, actions, delete internet gateway, say delete, go to route tables, VPC1 route table you have, actions, edit routes, sorry, this already I have done, I think, okay, actions, delete route table, and then just delete it. Here shown we have, so this one I have, VPC3, actions, delete routes, remove them first, save changes, submit associations, edit this, deselect this, save associations, actions, delete, delete it first, enter, internet gateway, select this, detach first, detach internet gateway, delete this, okay. Go to subnets, actions, delete subnet, okay. We have to go with transit gateway attachments, delete them first, select one by one, it's better. Okay. Go to VPC2 attachment, actions, delete transit gateway, delete VPC1 similar, actions, delete, enter, go to transit gateways, run this, actions, delete, still attachments will be deleted. Wait for some time until it's delete. Still deleting, two deleted, okay, three are deleted. Now go to transit gateway, select this, actions, delete transit gateway, and then just delete it, enter, it's still deleting, no problem, it will be delete. After that, go to VPCs, VPC1, actions, delete, enter, and then select VPC2. If you won't be delete them, you won't be get charged. You won't, you will be getting charged to AWS. Okay, better to delete them. If you delete them, you won't be get any charge. Otherwise, you get charged. Delete it. Okay, this is default VPC. You don't delete it. For default, there won't be any charge. For creation, there will be a charge. Okay, this is the process, guys. If you have any queries, let me know in the comments. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys.